So my darlings, this is what I'm having for dinner tonight. I ordered out, and yes, it's just going to be myself for tonight. So I thought I would treat myself to, as you can probably see, Pizza Hut. We finally got the melts here in Canada. So I will open everything up. I got the melts. I got some chicken. I got some fries, and I got the ultimate dessert, Hershey chip cookie dessert. So I will open it up so you can see. So this is, I got the pepperoni loaded melt, it's called, I guess. And it comes with marinara sauce there. Oh, I can't wait to get into that. So I got that. I got some fries and they look super good. And this is the Parmesan chicken bites that I had told you in the last video that I did. These are what we had, and these are so good. They need to be shaken up a little bit more. And then here's the chocolate chip cookie pie. So good. It's nice and hot, too. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Good. I'll let you know how it goes. There, I made a plate up for myself. And I'm just having some water with some lemon for my drink. Doesn't it look good? So my darlings, this is the beginning of what we're having for dinner tonight. I've got some mushrooms here, some cream of mushroom soup, and of course some chicken breasts that I'm going to have. So hopefully there'll be like 4 pieces. And I'm going to be doing chicken with a cream of mushroom sauce, and then I'm going to cook some rice to go along with it. So let's see how I haven't done this before, so it's my first time, so let's see how it goes. So I washed and dried my mushrooms, and then I sliced them, and I sliced them kind of thick here. So I got those ready. Right now I've got the chicken in the pan. I sliced them. I was going to do, like I said in the beginning, 4. But this one's smaller than the other 2, so I'm just keeping it kind of together. So to have 3 pieces instead of 4. So I'm going to cook those. The chicken is somewhat cooked. Not sure if it's fully cooked yet, but pretty much. So I've taken it off. And I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to work on the sauce now and the mushrooms. So I just put some garlic butter in there. Now I'm going to put the mushrooms into the pan and start them cooking. I'm going to start cooking these mushrooms. Oh my goodness, my darlings. This would be good enough just right here. I love fried mushrooms. I didn't put any garlic because I was using garlic butter. And hopefully I don't burn my garlic because you don't want that happening. I did put a splash of white wine vinegar in, just a little bit. And now I'm going to put in the cream of mushroom soup. And I have a little bit of cream cheese I'm going to add in there as well. And then I'm going to put the chicken back in. So I'll be back with you in a few minutes. Good. So here's our mushroom sauce. It's coming right along. I'm going to go get the chicken and put it back in. So I just wanted to show you the sauce before I put the chicken in. So my darlings, there it is. I'm going to cook it in with the chicken now. And as you can see, there's a lot more sauce than there is chicken. But I'm only cooking for 2, so you gotta be aware of that. But I did make some rice, so we're gonna put rice with it so I can mix the sauce in with the rice as well. So, and I'll come back when it's all finally finished and plate it for you guys. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for this. It's looking good. Hopefully. So my darlings, it's that time. Here's what we're having for dinner tonight. Chicken in mushroom sauce with rice. Oh my goodness, my darlings. I'll have to let you know how it goes. Let me know down below if you're a mushroom lover or not. I'd love to hear. And I hope you're all having a great night and having something good to eat as well. And this was actually quite easy. So, like I said, I'll let you know how it goes. And, good. Well, I'm going to get into it. So, I have this meat grinder, I don't know, smasher thing, I don't know what it's called, to mash up my ground beef. And I got this at the Dollar Tree, if you can believe that. Yeah, so here we go. I've never used one of these before. So let's see. Oh yeah. And it just kind of breaks up your meat. It's still frozen, that's why. But it breaks up. That's pretty good. Let me know if you have one and if you enjoy yours for cooking. So I just wanted to share that, just show how it works. Sorry, I'm trying to do it at the same time. So my darlings, this is the start of what we're having for dinner tonight. As you saw, I used my the meat chopper thing, masher thing, the beginning here. And so we got ground beef, some rice, red and yellow bell peppers, and some black beans. And I put a little Worcestershire, a little ground pepper, a little garlic powder in here. And we're going to be making like a burritos kind of thing tonight. I've got some grated cheese and maybe some chopped lettuce to put and some sour cream and hot sauce and whatnot. So, good. So here, my darlings, what we're having for dinner tonight are burritos. And yes, I'm still not the best at wrapping them. We just need to get really big ones because I guess I put so much stuff in them. But anyways, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. Can't wait. So, my darlings, I pulled these peppers out from my freezers and from my freezer, and these peppers my hubby grew last summer. And I want to try, I've never tried stuffing peppers before, so I thought I'd like to try that. So I'm just going to try to defrost these. And I have the mixture already made up from the night before of how I can stuff them. But I got to look to see, like I think you have to cook these first. So got to defrost them and then cook them and then stuff them and then bake them, I think. Something like that. Let me know if you like stuffed peppers or not. I'd love to hear down below. And here's the filling that I would put into the peppers. I've got the rice, the ground meat, black beans, and there are peppers in there, yellow and red, that I chopped in there as well. And then some spices and stuff. So that's what would go into the peppers that I'd be putting in. And this was so good last night in our burritos. You'll see that from the night before. So I have 4 of the peppers and they're stuffed. And I'm going to take the lids off. And I've got some grated cheese there. I'm going to put the cheese. And then I'm going to put them in the oven at 375 for 30 minutes. So I'm going to try that out and see how that goes. So we'll be back at you when 30 minutes is over. I'm back, my darlings. Yeah. You can't get rid of me yet. I just wanted to show you. I put the cheese on there, and now I'm going to stick it in the oven for the 30 minutes. They look good. Smell good. So here they are, my darlings. My first time stuffed peppers. Oh, they look good. I'll let you know how it goes. And I did put them under the broiler for a few minutes, as you can see. But it smells really good in here. So, thanks for joining me for another What's for Dinner Tonight, my darlings. I hope you're all doing well and hope you're all having a great dinner too. Let me know what you're having. I'd always love to hear what you guys make at your own houses. So please let me know down below. I'd love that. And remember to always believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. And remember, it doesn't have to be difficult. Cooking should be fun. Toodaloo for now. Good. Toodles. Toodaloo. Thank you. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. I made some mashed potatoes with some shrimp and fried mushrooms. And the little sauce that you see, I had made a sauce earlier. It's just some sour cream mayo, Dijon mustard, freshly ground pepper, and some lemon juice, I think. Yeah, so I just put it over we just had a little bit. So this is what I'm having for dinner tonight. Yeah, it is kind of decadent, but I can't wait to get into it. Need some comfort food, so. Good. Well, hopefully. Hope you're having a good one. Mom. So here's what I'm having for dinner tonight, my darlings. It's one of my favorite dinners. Chicken fingers with fries. And I put a few carrots there. And there's a plum sauce to dip the chicken fingers in. So this is what I'm having for dinner tonight. And like I said, it's one of my favorites as a kid. I always, like, if we went out for dinner or something like that, I was always ordering chicken fingers and fries. Just love it. So as an adult, I love it. I still love it. So this is what we're having. Easy peasy. Hope you're having a great night. Good. So I just did up some of these chocolate chip muffins. Simply add water. It says water or milk, so I used milk. It got me 6. Here they are. I just took them out of the oven. As you can see, 3 are like full-size muffins. These aren't as full. But these are the chocolate chip muffins. I think that it's Betty Crocker, I think. So, just wanted to share that. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Fish burgers with the coleslaw and some fries, some bistro fries. Good. Hope you're having a great night as well. Thanks for joining me. So my darlings, I just wanted to share with you what I'm having for my lunch today. I'm having like an egg scrambled. I've got scrambled eggs, and then I put Parmesan shredded cheese in there, and then some black beans, and some spices, and then some hot sauce on there. That's what you see. And then I got pickle because I just love my pickle. And then, so that's what I'm having. And then I also love cantaloupe, so I'm going to have some cantaloupe afterwards. So this is what I'm having for my lunch today. Good. So my darlings, here's what we're having for dinner tonight. This is my second shepherd's pie that I've made ever in my life. The first one I made for St. Patrick's Day. It was in my St. Patrick's Day 2023 vlog. So I don't know if you saw that or not, but this is my second one. And that's what we're having for dinner tonight. I think it's turned out. We will soon see. So I will let you know. So here's what we're having for dessert. A chocolate pudding cup, and I put some whipped cream on top with a little bit of spring sprinkles there from the Dollar Tree. So a quick little dessert. It is super good though. Not good for you, but that's what we're having for dessert. Good. Tim Hortons. It's new cereal from Tim Hortons. Apple fritter. Naturally flavored cereal. No artificial colors or flavors. And if you've been to Tim Hortons before, you probably had an apple fritter donut, and they're really good. And this is what the cereal looks like. There. So I just wanted to show you. It's a little quick review. I'm going to pour some milk on there. Okay, there we go. And I have already tried this, and I give this a 9 out of 10. If you like apple fritter donuts from Tim Hortons, then I think you will like this cereal. So that is my little review, and hopefully you'll be able to find it. I got this from the Canadian grocery store called No Frills. So there you have it. Good. Apple fritter cereal. I wish they would do a blueberry fritter cereal. That'd be awesome. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. KFC we have not had in so long. My hubby picked up, we got some fries in here. Fries. And there's a bucket of chicken and a large potato salad. And I'll show you the chicken when we get it out here. There's the chicken, crispy chicken. There we go. That's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings.